Hey guys, it's me, Camilla here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own house that you are proud of without copying. So let's get started. Number 1, what type of house do you want? There are so many different houses: barns, apartments, bungalows, cabins, camper vans, castles, chalet, colonial, and container houses, cottages, courtyard, detached farmhouses, and so many more. My favorite is definitely aesthetic no game passes 1-story houses that you can put cars in. Plus, you can also make money off of them. 2. Make sure to take little pieces from the type of houses you want. Like, you could take the windows from one house, the color scheme from another house, or the roof from the next house. Now, it's time to build.